This is so deep, baby.
I'm scared.
This water over here is so much deeper.
It is?
Yes, it's deeper.
Not for you?
You know. Okay, what is that? Rock. What else would it be? What?
No, it's so furry.
Going back to? It's furry? What? This is dark. Look inside. What's in there? It's still dark. Can you see the way?
Yeah, it's
I'm
too
making
dark.
the water jiggle when I stomp. You try it. Just like stomp there. You can kind of see the water jiggling.
Yeah.
What? Where? I see that. See the duck.
You guys have plenty of battery.
Select state.
Oh, oh, ducky, duckling.
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do?
Baby.
You don't think I am?
That was Daddy. I don't think they should.
Ow!
No.
Oh,
Icky.
I'm trying.
I wanna.
It's
What
spiky.
happened?
Spiky.
Yeah.
Do you think they eat those?
Oh, you
Sure.
can't. This is wild duck. You can't eat that.
Why not? It can eat bread. So.
You eat that. And it's not edible.
This real life. They keep falling. Like,
No, they don't.
This is the furthest my bike can come.